Upgrade your Mercedes-Benz with modern wireless connectivity, no wires, no hassle. Introducing the 2025 new upgrade wireless CarPlay and Android Auto module, designed specifically for NTG4.5 Becker systems. Whether you drive a Mercedes A-Class, B-Class, C, EGLA, CLA, GLK, ML, or even a Sprinter, this plug-and-play device brings next-generation tech to your existing infotainment system without replacing the original screen. Enjoy seamless wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Navigate with Google Maps, listen to Spotify or Apple Music, reply to messages, and make hands-free calls, all from your original display and controls. The new MB3 version for 2025 introduces audio-video separation technology, giving you better control over sound and visuals. Want to adjust your navigation volume without touching your music? You can now independently control music and navigation audio levels using your car's buttons. It also supports screen mirroring for iPhone, so you can display videos or apps directly on your factory screen. Already have a reverse camera? This module is compatible with both factory-installed and aftermarket rear cameras, CVBS or AHD, without needing extra adapters. Better still, your original Bluetooth calling stays fully functional. And the module even integrates with your steering wheel controls, so everything feels factory-fitted. Before ordering, make sure your car has a Becker socket inside the front passenger glove box. This is essential for compatibility. Ready to bring your Mercedes into the smart era without replacing your head unit? Then this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto upgrade is the perfect solution. Available now on Aliexpress. Play, drive smart.